I'm in my car, wee hours of the morning, late at evening, and I turned rock steady off. Oh, look, a penny. I found a penny. I wonder who picked up my leaves. So as I'm driving in my other car, I gotta get my car inspected. So this is like one of the first night shots I done in over a year and a half, close to the time I got this camera, 2 years by now. I gotta do some mileage before I bring the car in. I gotta watch out for these speed cameras. There's no need to rush. I got a traffic light up ahead that turned red. Did I tell you my settings again? My settings are 4K, about 30 frames per second, EV -3, and the road is under construction with rock steady off. And that's the way you get your awesome shots. And I'm holding it in the hand just by the camera and not the tripod. As I said that, there's my mill light. So I got to go pull over to the side of the road, and I now got to go reset my car. With the car off, I hit my OBD reader, let it work. I press up, let it work. All lights are off. So now we go for a ride. The maintenance required will go off. I need to reset that by hitting the thing. My check engine light just came back on again. Need to fix it. It just came back on again. I need to fix it. I double, triple, quadruple check. Sometimes I do things a little wrong. I'm not sure if I did it right the first time. So, pulled the OBD reader off. Here I go. So I got about a half an hour ride to do. Didn't come on that fast. So this should stay off. Beautiful ride, the sun rising, and it's dark. That darkness went away, and now we're in the sunrise. And the reason we don't use rock steady is because that rock steady electronic image stabilization makes everything jittery. And we hope the Osmo Action 2 will get that HDR setting to look dynamic. And this is HDR dynamic at nighttime. It does not have rock steady enabled, and it also disables another thing, and I just totally forget what they are. I can't remember everything out there for you. I wanted to do a video with a shutter speed and, what you would call it, that high dynamic HDR that don't allow it. I'm not on a mission to get somewhere, so why does everybody gotta rush the wee hours of the morning? I don't know, and I'm in the right lane, no less. I'm going to be making a U-turn up ahead. So how you like night shot time, real life time? I can't fool around with the cameras to get all those settings for you because I'm in motion. But you get the idea how the Osmo Action in 2021 of fall works. It's an awesome camera. I don't have my GoPro to try. No, I don't. No, I don't. I always said you need light on the object in order to film at night. And I always said that for the longest period of time. If you don't have any light on your object, how's it supposed to look to you? Well, you got all these test videos in this video, and I hope you have a good time using your camera. I got Rocksteady on, 4K 30, just like that. It's breakfast time every day to 10:30, limited time. I don't go for fast food like I see my other vlogger, and that's all he's about, food reviews. I took my time because I want to get to the right lane. He had to go speeding to get to the left lane. And people love to be the first online. I'm in no rush to where I need to go. I'm giving you a show. Just like that, all done. I'm out of here. Time to go enjoy the rest of my day and take care of business. Oh, the sun is popping up and it's got that rose color. It's got the haze. Oh, that building right there, just about blocking it. And that's where I need an ND filter, people. I want to capture that moment, but with this camera in my hands, that moment is no more. Meaning I'm an on-the-go person. I don't have the time to stop driving, put an ND filter on, set the camera up, and start driving again. Yeah, I do my stuff on the go. Love the sunshot. Oh man, look at that. Another pothole. Normally when they got these lights here, there's trouble around the area. The yellow ribbons and this area, 9/11, they must have a ceremony, and that's why last night they had the lights. On that note, hope you enjoyed your time. Have a great day.